Welcome back, and now news from sports. Dempo Sports Club beat Salgaonkar Sports Club by a solitary goal in the I-League opener in Fatodda. Dempo clearly looked like the better side on the day, but Salgaonkar were disappointing to say the least. The match was heading in for a draw, but in the 81st minute, last season's Golden Boot winner Ranti Martins scored for the Blues, defeating the defending champions on the opening day. This match was expected to draw in huge crowds at the Nehru Stadium in Fatodda, but the turnout was poor. At the onset, Salgaonkar looked the better side and created a few chances, but as time wore on, Dempo settled into their groove of passing and moving. In the second half, Dempo could have had their noses ahead had Jokia Branches not missed this sitter of an opportunity. Then in the 81st minute, Dempo's Nigerian goal machine Ranti Martins scored off a through ball, true to Dempo's brand of tiki-taka football. With bureau inputs, our reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt. Dempo Sports Club coach Armando was happy with his team that his team could take the opportunity to score when it mattered the most. Dempo had at least 3 good chances, but the one that came late in the second half was what they scored off. Salgaonkar coach Karim Ben Sharifa was disappointed. Meanwhile, power failure at Fatodda during the post-match press conference resulted in poor video quality.
But today I was happy because they played well. And we utilized the chance we had.
You missed some initial chances.
We missed, but then remember, you can't score all the time. Other team also is playing. It was a good football to watch with this humidity. The pace was good enough, other teams played well. You got it. I'm glad the way my boys played. I'm happy about it.
Result-wise, yes, we lost. Of course, we lost 3 points. So it is disappointing, but performance-wise, I think we have no complaint about my players. I'm very proud of them. I said before that every game would be a challenge for us, no doubt about that. For the last 4 years, Dempo ruled the game, and when Dempo come before the game and say that we are underdog, that make me feel proud. That means Salgaonkar reached that level where everybody counts for them.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Have a great weekend up ahead. Goodbye.